Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So here I am thrifting at the Goodwill. Let's see if we can find some gems, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now, I do want to take a moment and let you know to head on over to my community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month of April. Now, I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.